Hi guys, today we're gonna do something that we are not doing very often nowadays. Flying. This is Schiphol and we're going to Geneva.
For your sitting area, specialist cleaning materials have been used for your protection against viruses.
It was a stunning morning for flying above the puffy clouds, and while looking at the landscape, I had to think about how something so common like flying became so unusual, a little scary even. But overall, we felt excited like little kids on a roller coaster. Though we are flying to Geneva, our final destination is Sevriere, a beautiful and quiet village along the coast of Lake Annecy. There, we will finally spend some time with good friends. It really felt a privilege to see them again. This made us also think about part of our family, who we are still not able to see, unfortunately. The flight with EasyJet was just 1.5 hours from Amsterdam, and in Geneva we simply walked our way out without any controls. All the people wearing masks made us feel like being part of a sci-fi movie. Our friend Fred was waiting for us as we got out. During the ride, we had the chance to catch up on the latest news. It felt really good to speak face to face again after so much time spent on WhatsApp. So guys, after a little deliberation this morning, we decided to do a double train. The first one will be a ride by bike to Angon on the side of the lake, and from there we will hike towards the mountains over there and probably go see some waterfalls. Of course, Anna is having the best bike of them all. How's it going, my love?
Good. So far, so good. I feel like I am grandma going to bike run. Up like that?
No, it's gonna get worse.
It's like 2 kilometers squatting.
Yeah.
See you guys downstairs.
After 22 kilometers by bike and a steep but very rewarding hike to the waterfall, we enjoyed some lunch in Tollerois, a beautiful village next to Angon and overlooking the natural reserve of Roc de Cher. Both Anna and I took our time to ride the 22 kilometers back to the house.
That's it.
See you!